It finally came. Alright, I got my case of clear coat. My plan today was to get this guy outside, do a light coating, wash it off, let it dry, wait for the UPS guy to show up. Fortunately, he had a different plan, so he decided to show up first. So now I'm going to push this out, and then we'll get to the sanding and the washing. Alright, got it all pulled out on this side right here. Just did some of the quadruple over here. Oh, quadruple is the triple stuff. I don't think much of a difference. I think I'm just gonna hit it with lights. They don't have to. They're both equally as smooth. And I just barely did it. So since I don't have to, I'm gonna have more of these. I don't know. I'm gonna think about it. I'll probably end up just using these guys because I really want to do it super light right on the thin and a little heavier towards the bigger parts. So that's probably what I'll end up doing. Alright, finally got it all sanded off. Nice and smooth. Got all the little water stains, all the little drops. Pretty much anything that looked like this, it's all covered up. This is still rough. It's going to be covered up by the trim, so I'm not too worried about it. But down here it's super smooth. Very smooth. Still a little dusty. I'm about to power wash this some gun. But just wanted to give a quick view of it. All nice and sanded up. And that is, I didn't end up using the quadruple zero. I only used the triple zero. And it seemed to work. I wish I would have had some double zero. That would have even been better, but anyway, we're cleaning it off now. Get it nice and wet. Alright, got it all washed off. I think it's looking really nice. Looking great, if you ask me. There's a couple spots I'm a little worried about, but I'm gonna hit some up with some Sharpie, see if I can't take that out. But generally, all in all, it's looking really nice, really smooth. Looking great. So I'm gonna let it dry out here for a little bit, and I'm gonna pull it into the garage, get it ready for clear. Woohoo! It's all taped up, ready to go. Just gotta throw some bags over the tires. I'm ready to go back in there, get this shit done. Just now realizing that I won't be able to see. Let's see what it looks like in here. Oh, yeah. Not gonna be able to see nothing. So I'm gonna cut a little hole and then drive in here. Then I'm gonna tack it, close it off, tack it, and get ready. Alright, I've got it in the garage, in my little paint booth. There's just enough room to get around here. It's looking good. Got plenty of room on this side. Looking all right all around. Time to tack it, start going. Alright, it's cleared. It's a little hazy in here, but got all 6 cans on. Just kept going round. Just opened up, got little fuzzies on top that shouldn't be in the paint, but yeah. She's shiny. Definitely nice and shiny. That's just right away. It's gonna look real nice once it's all nice and buffed, polished. Oh, I can't wait to do all that. Is that like a dent? But yep, there it is. Alright, so next I'm gonna pull this stuff off and drag it out of the house so it'll quit stinking. There it is, fresh out the booth. Booth actually worked pretty good. And you can see, I'm just gonna let it talk for itself. It's dark. It's very dark. It's exactly what I wanted. Can't wait to wet sand this in like a week. Yeah, buddy. It's nice. It's nice. Oof. That's where it's at. Alright, so there it is without any of the tape. It's been out in the wind for about 10-15 minutes. Starting to dry up pretty good. See, still got little wet spots here and there. Obviously it's going to be wet for quite a bit, but that's what it's looking like without stuff on yet. Oh, I'm so excited to start putting other things on this car. Window visors, decals, all kinds of shit. Yeah, there it is. Oh, looks good. I don't think the camera does it justice. She's nice and pretty.